I never learned how to design user interfaces or layouts per se. I just learned how to use typography really raw. And yet somehow I'm able to make user interfaces like this. And why is that? It's because 80% of most user interfaces is made up of typography. It sets the tone for every other component on a layout. And if you get it wrong, every other thing looks out of place, no matter what you do. So in this video, I'm going to show you what fonts to avoid and the ones that will absolutely elevate your designs. I'll also give you my best presets for these fonts. Let's go. I know you're probably waiting for me to tell you not to use Comic Sans, but I won't do that. I won't give you the satisfaction. Because if you haven't listened to the 100 gajillion others on the internet telling you not to use Comic Sans, you will listen to me. So please feel free to use Comic Sans since you've decided not to evolve. The first fonts you should absolutely avoid is Copperplate Gothic. Now, what would happen is when I change the fonts on this beautiful UI to Copperplate Gothic? I don't think I need to say anything else, but I will, because I know why some of you would opt to use these fonts, and it's because you have commitment issues. Tell me why else you would want to use a font that neither qualifies as a serif, a sans serif, or a slab font. Now, when they said don't put all of your eggs in one basket, you took that one a bit too seriously, did you? Okay, in all seriousness now, okay, my voice is calm. Please, whatever reason you have of using Copperplate Gothic, please don't. Thank you. The second is Vivaldi. There's a saying that best summarizes the point I want to pass on here. It's too much of everything is no good. And Vivaldi is just doing a bit too much. Frankly, it looks like something a child would use just for the purpose of confusing other kids. And what we fail to realize is that the fonts we use when working on projects exude a certain vibe and emotion. And the only emotion Vivaldi exudes is confusion. And if that's what you're going for, then fine. If it's not, look for a better font. And don't worry, better one in this video, I'm going to put you on the best fonts on the planet, as vetted by me. So before I let you in on what the next font to avoid is, I'll let you in on something else. I have a problem with saying the word particularly. And I hadn't noticed until I started shooting this video. And I use this quite a bit in the next point. So whenever it comes up, I'll have to say it a bit slowly. So bear with me. And finally, we have Arial. Now, there's nothing particularly wrong with Arial. There's also nothing particularly right with it either. It's just bleh. It's safe and boring. Again, the fonts we use exudes a certain vibe and emotion. And unless the emotion you are going for is meh and boring, or the audience you are designing for are people without sites, then I advise you to go for or put more efforts into choosing proper fonts for your projects. And now, because I'm a man of the people, I already did the heavy lifting for you, and I'll share with you a list of fonts I know will always get you right. Now, these are the fonts I use to create the layouts that I create, and they're not the best layouts, but if they're the kind of layouts you'd like to be making, then I'll leave it links to download them, maybe through a Google Drive or something. But I'll be needing your emails before you get. Nah, just kidding. I don't even know what to do with your emails if I got them, but I'll find out what to do with your emails, and then I'll bring me your emails. But my personal favorites from that list is New Montreal, New Asgotex Pro, Apple Garamond, Inter, and Fopping as well. Yeah, I have a couple of favorites, but then my presets for these fonts are the same across the board. Where I have font sizes that 20 pixels and lower, I use a letter spacing of 2% and a line height of 110 to 120%. Now, for larger font sizes, anything above 25, 20, it's like letter space, -1 to -5%, and the line height stays the same, 110 to 120%. Now, you don't need more fonts, but better. And these fonts are as good as they're called. And you found this video helpful, and you love the next one. And also, maybe consider subscribing as well. I know that's a lot to ask of you as a stranger, but just consider it. See you in the next one.